In this video, you will learn how to change the chat background color in iMessage on your iPhone. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and if you want to change the chat background color in iMessage on your iPhone, this is the video you need to watch. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. In order to change the chat background color in iMessage on iPhone, first of all, you have to be aware that this feature is specifically for devices with iOS 26 and later. So if your device is running below iOS 26, you won't be able to change the chat background color in iMessage on iPhone. So first of all, ensure that you have got at least iOS 26. For that, simply go to Settings and tap on General. Here, tap on About and you will see that here it says your iOS version and it will show 26. That means your iPhone is running on iOS 26, and if you haven't got iOS 26, then you can go back and tap on Software Update and here check for updates and download and install the iOS 26 or later. And once you have got iOS 26 on your iPhone, next you are ready to change the chat background color in iMessage on iPhone. For that, go to iMessage and here select the conversation for which you want to change the chat background color. Let's select this one, and after that tap on the name here just below the name, and from these tabs you can select backgrounds, and that will allow you to change the chat background color in iMessage for this conversation. Now you can see currently it is none, so chat background is none by default. And next, in order to make any changes, you can select one of these options like a photo, which will provide you various featured images, or you can also tap on all and select any picture of your choice, or you can choose from one of these options like color and swipe between these. Once you find the one that suits your preference, you can simply tap on this done checkmark and this will be changed as the chat background color in iMessage on iPhone. Apart from that, you can also use Apple Intelligence and Siri features and play with images created by Playground. You can tap on Playground considering if you have got a device that is capable of using Apple Intelligence features. And from here you can describe any image and the Playground will create that image. Let's select one of these suggestions, or you can also describe your own preferred theme here for the image and then it will create that image for you. For now, I'll tap cancel and show you other options like sky, and you can also swipe between these. And once you are happy with the selection, simply tap this done check mark and that will set this new chat background color for the conversation. You can see if I go back, it's already changed. So this is how you can change the chat background color in iMessage on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit the like button to let me know, and if you have got any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching.